Welcome to Vietnam.
On our beautiful 3-day cruise in HALONG Bay in Vietnam. So excited. Let's go. We're not adventurous at all. Lived up to our name, the Idol family. Welcome to our crazy adventures. This week we show you our stunning and exciting last-minute booked 3-day cruise in amazing HALONG Bay. We were late for the bus that was waiting for us for a half an hour in our hotel. Whoops, sorry, that was off to a great start. And the bus was packed with people. There's not even seats for us to sit. So that was a wonderful experience. We stopped at a pearl farm, which was interesting, and now we're at a bit of a shit show in the cruise terminal, waiting to get on our boat. This is our lovely waiting bench, not our boat. Yeah.
This is Piper telling us to stop. This is how the buses come over here. They stop, people get deboed. This is the cruise terminal for signature cruises. A lot of people coming in here.
Half a boat from America today.
First you go on a bus, then you go on small boats, then you go on the big boats. The same cruise comes back.
So we didn't realize that we had booked our Vietnam trip over spring break and the Easter holidays. About 3 weeks before leaving, we went to book our HALONG Bay cruise, only to see almost all were sold out because of the holiday. Tarun thankfully found this one. It did cost about $1,200 USD for 3 nights, but our experience and room did not disappoint. Funny how things work out, because honestly, the smaller boat and whole experience turned out to be amazing and just what our family was looking for. Hello. Okay, come on in. Come on in. Bed.
Wow. Oh. Whoa, grand. Oh my God, we have the whole front to ourselves.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Big tub. Oh, Tarun will love the toilet. Nice bathroom. Beautiful. Taking a shower might be a little interesting, but good size for the kiddos. Very nice room.
5C. It's like pretty good, Danelle.
Later on, when you go there, you just see around 16 floating house more than.
We're on a bamboo boat. Hello. Papa? I think he totally should have gotten a paddle. So pretty. That's how Piper fishes, by just demanding for them. How was it, Dada? Reunited, and it feels so good. Got a beautiful pearl. Yeah, pearl looks like we're gonna lay the cheek right now. Wow.
So, how was the trip today, everyone? Everything's okay? Please double check ocean belonging for dropping the anchor and sleep overnight.
And we are removing the anchor. Now took one of those boats and around the fishing village. So right now we're cruising in the famous UNESCO Heritage HALONG Bay. I rode the fishing village. There are only 2 fishing villages left. This is Butang Bay, which is next to the Halong Bay. Much quieter, very few ships. The bay is cleaner. I would recommend coming over here compared to going to the Halong Bay where there are 700 cruise ships. So here you get to see this beautiful, serene, natural beauty which you will not see in Halong Bay anymore. It's cheaper in India.
When we're on land and then we got here.
Throw it. Look at it. Yours.
Okay.
Look at this one. And which number you have to go? Your turn it out.
My turn, Grant.
Beautiful evening dinner with kids. So yeah. But
Oh, we're just fishing over here.
Sure, the squid comes and catches.
Stick us over there. I'll do it very far. Look at. You just froze. Okay.
Alright, just finished the Tai Chi class. It is harder than it looks, but it is mostly if you have good balance in yoga, you can do it. Just stay right over the head of the deck. You'll see some of the videos of that. And now we are on our way to the next destination in Halong Bay. Somewhere right over there, we saw the sunrise.
Wait.
it's a pie.
Pie.
So what does it start with?
That's a day boat because it can take us far away than this boat.
I'll take it off.
Not a value. It's just telling her. It's easier to be traveling than to be stuck at home.
Look at them! Yes! Exactly.
Cora saying that
My friend can go places where we can't get her back.
It's dark and scary.
So be careful.
Say cheese. Cheese. Wow.
Come on, Mama.
There's a dragon in here.
so what
Dragon.
quite a long time, but until blooms like this, joining together. They said they would wonder about you, like a long time.
Mom's cave.
One small cave, Grant.
So pretty.
You got it?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, Grant, can you? Whoa! How would I come out of there? Move back, move back!
Yeah, on the lower way. What's your head? I did the last in our group. Right? So good. I did the last one.
No, that's...
Okay, Aiden.
Great job, Grant!
How was it? Lake Cave. It's a little tricky with a 2-year-old, but I think she's like a natural climber, man. She was just going for it.
So is Grant.
Yeah.
Hey, we need to be too natural. Hiking in paradise. It's a real treasure.
You should keep this in your coin collection.
Yeah, Grant, there are no coins right now. This is actually very, very old coin. You know that? They don't have these coins now.
This is an ancient coin.
This is an ancient coin, Grant. Seriously, because they stopped making the coins.
Yeah, we found an ancient coin for
found an ancient coin because they had stopped making Vietnamese dongs. Still doing paintings.
Thing is the entry of the cave.
These are remains of the freshwater shells. Babao, kain babao? Idhar hai babao. Oh, babao.
Eating out again. We are going kayaking with both kids this time. Let's see how that goes. And swimming. Woo! In Pearl Village. And how long is it?
Let's go. Let's see first. Come. Come on, Grant. Whoa, look at the coral they've been. She's getting some of them out. Washing them. Shells. Seashells.
Look, I found this in the floor.
Oh, yeah.
I found this in the floor over
Whoa, that's pretty cool, Grant. Danelle kayaking in Halong Bay with Piper. Grant, look, Mama kayaking in Halong Bay with Piper. So pretty. So pretty, Mama. Piper's sleepy. Hi, Piper's sleepy. When you sit quietly and look at beautiful mountains, it's called being in peace. Are you in peace? Yeah, okay, come. Wait. Steady, go, Mama. Ah! Good job, Mama.
Go get a life jacket. Yay! Good job, Grant.
Jumping into Halong Bay was amazing. However, before I left, I had this nagging feeling to buy Piper this swimwear I had seen that had a life jacket sewn into the actual suit. This is footage of her jumping out of my hand and into the bay. The suit saved her, and it was all good. Listen to your instincts, Mama.
Better than taking a nap on your mama.
What are you doing, Mom?
Hey, we're not adventurous at all. Lived up to our name, the Idol family. No, it was amazing. It was really, really a cool day.
Boy.
My fingers stuck in.
It seems like
Do you want to go to the beach or up there to the caves? Okay, well, then, Mama, we're going to the caves, okay? Yeah, I want to go to the caves.
Let's go.
on a beach in Halong Bay. Just a normal Wednesday. Just have to make sure you're with neighbors. It's a cute dog. There's a shovel over there. There's a fuddy duddy. He doesn't know what a fuddy duddy means. He doesn't want to play with sand toys.
I don't know what a fuddy duddy is. It's all American slangs which I get to learn all my life. The doggy. Papa doggy.
Sand hole. I drew this one. This one.
Gav, have to leave. Otherwise I would have. This was our tour of the Halong Bay. Beautiful signature cruise line. There are two, Signature Royale and Signature. We were on the Signature Royale, room number 201, which was nice, big, with a family, with a whole deck view. The rooms in Signature are a little bit bigger and cheaper. So if you want to go with that, do that. We went to Bai To Long Bay. It's nice. Was beautiful. And I don't think there was much trash in the bay over there. We did some swimming, kayaking, went to the beach, did some cave. Beautiful time.
So there was the time that Tarun and the kids were stuck in a bus because they didn't come and they didn't realize that it was a half an hour long stop.
Okay, so these are the rules bathrooms specifically on shoulders. No pooling in the urinal. Use the urinal. Do not poop in the urinal. So on your way back from all these excursions, stop at gift shops. There'll be a lot of people in there who are trying to save.
Just like that, we were back to Hanoi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. The next video is the last 2 exciting days in Vietnam.